Penny is helping some ducklings cross the road. Pit is helping too. Oh no, it's Mr. Lemon! And he's stealing a police car!
The ducklings are safe! Mission complete!
But Mr. Lemon stole your police car!
We need to catch him!
Penny knows who to call.
We need backup!
Officer Pumpkin is here to help.
Hey!
Hop in, Pit and Penny. Let's go catch that thief.
You can't hide from us!
Mr. Lemon has some tricks up his sleeve. They made it past the traffic cones.
Oh no! He's getting away!
How will Mr. Lemon get through the lake? He'll float across. Officer Pumpkin's truck won't float.
Oh no! We can't jump over it!
Officer Pumpkin has a plan. Don't hit all the buttons, Pit.
Please press this button!
Phew, that's better. Now the truck can drive across. A thumbtack will pop Mr. Lemon's getaway raft.
I surrender! Well done, kids!
But what about their car? Here's a new one they can use. Thanks, Officer Pumpkin.
Pit and Penny, fix the toy robot.
I will save you.
Now it's as good as new. What's wrong, little lemon?
I am Superman.
Oh, his toy is broken. Pit and Penny have fixed all their toys.
I have no toys.
You can play with Pit and Penny's things. Wow, it's a stunt car track. Oh no, you've broken the toys. Little Lemon should tell Pit and Penny. No, that doesn't look right at all. The little lemon brought your toys back. And they are still broken. Pete fixed the robot.
Can I play with the robot?
Why not, Pete?
You don't know how to play with toys.
You need to be more careful, little lemon. Little lemon has a plan. Now he has the toy robot. That was little lemon's favorite toy. The kids have a plan. They'll add a new battery. Make a new cape. And clean the doll.
I am Superman.
Shoo, shoo.
What's little lemon doing? Don't do that. Wouldn't you rather play with this doll?
Play with your toys carefully. They will be like new. I'm sorry. I will take care of my toys.
Let's fix the broken toys first. Keep trying, little lemon.
Blue car is nervous. It's his turn next for a checkup. Pink car is as good as new. Your turn, blue car. Pit just needs the pliers.
Oh no! My car!
Blue car is running away. Oh no, he lost a windshield wiper. Here come Officer Pumpkin and Pit. Blue car's hiding in the tunnel. There's the windshield wiper.
My car was here!
The tunnel is dark and scary.
I can't see anything.
He didn't see the stop sign. Poor blue car. Blue car hit the lamppost. Another clue for Pit to follow. Blue car lost a tire.
Oh no! This is its wheel!
Watch out for the tire. And now Blue Car is stuck in a bush. Hurry! He's over here!
There it is!
Let's tow the car to safety.
I'm afraid of checkups.
Checkups are necessary so that you don't get into an accident.
Just like going to a doctor. Time for a new battery. See, Blue Car? Checkups are easy.
Now I will never be afraid of checkups.
Here comes the school bus. Slow down.
Hello,
Pit and Penny knocked over Miss Apple. Help Miss Apple up, please.
You can't run on the bus.
I'm sorry.
Find your seats. Penny buckles up. Pit doesn't like wearing seatbelts. See what happens, Pit? Pit, you must obey the signs.
You need to fasten your seatbelt on the bus.
Blueberry brought snacks. A banana for Penny. A banana for Pit. And chips for herself. But you shouldn't eat on the bus. What does the sign say?
You can't eat on the bus, especially unhealthy foods.
Penny, it's nice to share, but you should put those snacks away. It's Lime, and he's late for the bus.
Don't miss the bus.
Lime, watch out!
This is why you can't eat on the bus.
Your litter can hurt other people. Your banana peels belong in the trash. Lime is bored. He made a paper airplane. Now all the kids want to make one. But don't throw them on the bus. They covered the driver's window. Hold on, kids! Phew, everyone is safe.
This is very dangerous to play games on the bus.
I'm sorry.
Time for school. Pit forgot his bag.
Don't forget your things on the bus.
Now you can have fun at school. Bye, kids.
Children, today, the officer will read you a fairy tale.
The children like fairy tales.
Once upon a time, Pete and Penny forgot where they lived.
Oh no, Pit and Penny are lost.
Help us! Help!
Huh. Are you lost? Children, can you please draw your house for me?
Officer Pumpkin is trying to help. That's a very pretty drawing. Officer Pumpkin is looking for Pit and Penny's house.
Okay, let's try to find your house.
Is this Pit and Penny's house?
Are these your parents?
That's Mrs. Carrot.
Does your house really look like this?
Let's try over there. Maybe this is Pit and Penny's house.
Are these your children?
The drums are very loud. What have you seen, Penny? Pit and Penny are scared. It's Mommy and Daddy.
Officer, thank you for bringing our children back home.
Officer Pumpkin has a special gift for Pit and Penny.
Address is written on the badges I gave you.
What a story.
Kids, keep your badges with you so you can always find your way home if you get lost.
It's a happy ending. Toy car is scared and alone outside. Who's that? It's Baby, and she wants to play. Toy car has mud on him. Baby has an idea. Now Toy Car is all clean. Oh no, there's been an accident. Baby knows what to do. Here's a bandage for your boo-boo.
I want to play too!
Pit, you're too big. Toy car has run out of energy. Baby wants to feed it milk.
This is for little babies!
Pit wants to feed Toy Car some chips. But chips aren't for cars. Maybe Daddy can help.
Each toy needs proper care.
Toy car runs on electricity. You must plug it in for energy. It worked! But the hood is still dented. A plunger can help with that. That's better. Hop in, baby. Toy car is ready to play again. Pit and Penny are waiting for the bus. Oh look! Here comes the bus now! Pit butts in front of everyone. Miss Tomato isn't very happy.
Oh. Pit, you should stay in line.
It is always best to wait your turn. There are lots of places to sit. Pit thinks they should play a game. Penny wants to play too. But you should always stay in your seat on the bus. Or you could get hurt. Thank you, Miss Tomato.
Kids, don't run in a bus. It's not safe.
Now more people are getting on the bus. That man has a broken leg.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, Pit.
Pit, someone else needs a seat.
Pit!
Whoops! I'm sorry!
Here you go, Mrs. Lettuce. Shh! Mrs. Lettuce is sleeping. Penny wants to watch some funny videos. But the noise has woken up Mrs. Lettuce.
Penny, it's too loud. You'll disturb other passengers.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Penny, just use your earphones. Ah, peace and quiet. Have a nice nap, Mrs. Lettuce. This passenger looks suspicious. Oh no! Mrs. Lettuce left her purse on the floor. Someone should stop him.
He's a thief!
Pit has saved the day.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, son.
Oh no! What happened to the TV? Who will fix the TV?
Don't worry, Dad will help.
And I'll be your little helper!
First, you have to go into the basement. But it's dark and scary down there. Maybe a flashlight will help. It's caught!
Monster, help me!
You're safe now, Pit.
There are no monsters here. Look.
It was just a net. Daddy will check the electrical box. The wires are loose. They need to be reconnected.
The TV still doesn't work. Shouldn't we connect them in some other way?
Red goes with red and green goes with green. It worked! Penny wants to wash her hands.
Oh no! How can I wash my hands now?
We'll fix it.
Haha. Huh? Pete, I need another wrench.
That's a screwdriver.
Huh?
And that's a plunger.
Huh? Oh.
It's stuck on Daddy's head. Phew, that's better. Yes, that's the wrench Daddy needs. The sink is fixed. Mommy needs help building a cabinet. Daddy can do it.
Yeah.
That's not right.
Maybe.
Oops, wrong again.
Maybe you need another tool?
Pit knows what's wrong.
This is how it's supposed to be.
The instructions were upside down. That's much better.
You are Daddy's little helper.
Well done, Pit. Pit is in a race. And so is Mr. Lemon. Watch out, Pit. Super Daddy saved him.
Go ahead, Pete.
Pit takes the lead. Mr. Lemon is cheating. The car's tire fell off. Super Daddy did it again. He'll fix that tire in no time. Pit's catching up. Hurry, Super Daddy! Pit's stuck. Mr. Lemon has more tricks.
Oh. Come on, Pete.
Daddy's stepping on the toy. But how will Pit win? Super Daddy's back to help. The bridge is broken. Super Daddy knows what to do. Pit wins the race. Mr. Lemon's car is going to crash. Super Daddy to the rescue.
Thank you, and sorry for everything.
Pit has something to say.
My daddy's a Superman!